Guys, my name is Brian here. Today you're watching Anaheim 1767, and I'm actually gonna do a day 7 Dominion Day. First gotta do lights. But I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I'm keeping it as a secret. Because I don't want to get the secret. It's going. So I'm gonna actually open the Finance Phrase Radioactive Foxy. I actually want to open this is because I haven't opened this in days, weeks. And finally opened it. Finally opening it. This is Radioactive Foxy. This is actually a new one. The Finance Phrase Special Delivery. It says that it goes in the dark, and you can get High Score Chica, System Error Bonnie, VR Freddy, and the Toxic Springtrap. Those are the other ones. So we'll open this thing, and of course I need scissors. Alright, I'm going to use scissors at home. Let's just try to open the box. Oh gosh, got the package. Just cut that sweet thing. I think because of that, those things. Just ripping the picture off. Because even though I like that beautiful picture, I have to get it out. Get it out. And take rocking radioactivity Foxy, radioactive Foxy. You want to call him radioactivity Foxy or radioactive Foxy? I'd call him radioactive Foxy. Of course, you can call him like nuclear Foxy or radioactive Foxy. Get him out. He's in this box. So these are really hard to get out when you're trying to not let them fall into, have a piece taken off on them. Yep, there it is, the radioactive Foxy. Just lock on. Yep. So you can, this is the radioactive Foxy. You can take off things. I'm not sure if you can take off his hook, but his head can't actually take off his head, which you can actually, and also these, you can take off his head and put back on. Take off his shoulders, put that on his other hand, and you can just rotate his hands. You can take his hands off. Corner piece, just like kind of falling apart. Got these legs, they come apart. Yep, those, all Five Nights at Freddy's action figures have these little, taking off, putting it back on stuff, and he's translucent. The details, he's just black with some green, just a lot of green and a yellow. That's it. But it's cool, and he's a glow in the dark, which is awesome. He's a really cool glow in the dark. Found them in Walmart. Well, you have to like and subscribe. And actually, I want to show you the day 7 actually, but I'm going to show a part of it. Okay, you can get what it is. It's a Jurassic World. You can see a little tail. Yeah, that's what's going to be coming soon. So stay tuned. Until next time, bye-bye.